Sanibonani. Sika-grade 12 la sikhona ne-life sciences with Olu, okay, we-maths and sciences. Alright, so sisaku-meiosis ke la, okay, sisaku-meiosis incwadi engiyisebenzisayo, ile ehlaza, muke wabona lamanye ama-video ile ehlaza. So sebenzisa yona because le enye doesn't have like yonke le information ney'thombe engizifunayo. Okay, so la, this is just indlela nje elula yabo ukuthi uzikhumbuze ukuthi komba ama-phases zalandelana kanjani ku-meiosis, uqala nowesibili. Okay, bese sobheka la ukuthi why crossing over ibalulekile. Uyakhumbula ngasothi crossing over yenzeka kubani ku-prophase oqala, hhayi lo wesibili oqala. So, okay, i-crossing over yenzekani? It brings about an exchange of genetic material during the process of gamete formation. Okay. Nje asixoxe-ke nje le, asixoxe kade siyisho, kade siyikhuluma, simisa kanje izandla, sithi yini lena, sithi ama-pegs, sithi kunaleya point liyabizwa ngobani, ngo-chiasma, sithi the exchange genetic material, yonke leyo into, i-DNA information, yonke leyo mpahla leyo, yabo. So yenzeka kwi-crossing over uprofezi wokuqala. Usakhumbula nawe, asixoxe, but-ke la sebesitshela ngani ngokubaluleka ukuthi izize yenzeke lo crossing over kubaluleke ngani. Ngoba ngesikhathi kwenzeka ama-gametes kuba nani, kuba okay, okay, la sengiconfuse izinto. Okay, yes, ngi-right. Ngesikhathi kwenzeka ama-gametes, so ama-gametes kusuke kuzoba ne-variation kubona ngaliphi na. Ngesikhathi sikule point le ye-chiasma, ku-exchange i-genetic material from paternally to umaternally and then from umaternally to upaternally. Okay, iqhubeka kanjalo ke process. So lento lena it results in the formation of new genetic combinations. Sesinento enjani-ke la, sesinento ehlukile. Sihlanganisa uma wakho, sihlanganisa ubaba wakho, then sikhipha something ezoba different. Okay, sikhipha something esizoba njani, esizoba different. Same thing nala. This results in the formation that will give rise to individuals that are genetically different from their parents and then from ama siblings. Okay, angeke uzufane noma wakho exactly. Angeke futhi uzufane nosisi wakho, nombhuti wakho, even ubaba wakho. Same thing nama-grandparents akho. Kuzothiwa, hey, usibani bani ofana nobani, hey, usibani bani ofana nobani. But kufana exactly, unless obviously namawele, kuthiwani, ama-identical twins, monozygotic twins. Okay, angeke nize nifane exactly. So ngesikhathi silapha kwi-point echiasma-ke kuya-exchange-eka ini le genetic material le. So ngesikhathi kuformetheka ama-gametes, lawa ama-gametes aseformethekile-ke manje akusekona ukuthi uma wakho kuphela or ubaba wakho kuphela, kodwa sekuyi-mixture kama wakho nobaba wakho. Yabona nje sekuyi-mix masala, i-combo mixture uma wakho nobaba wakho. So sesiphuma sesikhishelwa into esihlanganisiwe, esixutshiwe. Uma wakho umpofu, ubaba wakho u-dark, and then bese baya-exchange labantu le, uyazibona ususomewhere phakathi nendawo awusafani nabo, yabo. So I think i-example e-right leyo, like icacile ezwakalayo. So awusafani nabo, yonke into ekhona wonke amanye ama-features emzimbeni wakho. Okay, alright. Nanoma nje ngabe yini. Okay, so le video, I think if you download incwadi then ungavele uklikhe kuyona, ungene kuyona. Okay, bese siya kubalulekeni ka-meiosis. Hawima makuwukuthi awazi ukuthi u-meiosis ubaluleke ngani, wema. Okay, nayi enye sila sikhona genetic variation. Hawe shempe, ngiyaxolisa. Okay, so i-mechanization eyenzeka la, right, to introduce genetic variation through number one, siphuma kuwona crossing over. kwini? Kwiprophase yokuqala. Awenzeki kuprophase yesibili. Don't make that mistake uma ubhala Nkosi yami bekubuza ukuthi i-crossing over yenzeka kuphi. You must be specific ukuthi uprophase ukuqala. Okay? All right. So, and then must be i-random arrangement of ama-chromosome ethini at the equator, both ku-metaphase 1 nowesibili. Because uyakhumbula ukuthini metaphase wokuqala bekuwa ama-homologous chromosomes abe-aligna laphaya kwini kwi-equator. Then kulo wesibili ama-individual chromosome a-aligna kwini kwi-equator. So, ngesikhathi bekwenza lokho, ayikho into ebhaliwe ukuthi yahu, nangu number 1, nangu number 2, sondelani, akamele waqale lo bavele nje basuke nje from i-cytoplasm, omunye agxuma ahlala ingiyama la, nomunye ahlale la kune-space khona, bona baya-aligna nje. Okubalulekile yilokho ukuthi ba-aligna kuphi laphaya kwe-equator, ukuthi ubuqalayo o-black, o-white, onjani, abanandaba nalokho. Okay, so bazimele noma kanjani ngale ndlela ukuthi mase sekwenzeka u-anaphase, ama-spindle fibers sewadonsa lama-chromosome, azodonsa noma yiphi i-chromosome, yabona. And then usuya mase usufoma ama-cells awu-2, kuye lela chromosome ngale, kwaye elinye ngale, kwaye elinye ngale, kwaye elinye ngale. Uyabona lento ngeke isafana vele, ixubene, imixene, uyabona nje iseli iyodwa isiney'nto ey'ningi esizihlukahlukene. So ngaleyo ndlela sekune-variation ezoba khona. I think like yayi-create i-picture ekhanda. Okay, nansi enye ebalulekile, very important, uproducer ini ama-gametes. Uproducer ama-gametes umese sokuqala nowesibili usikhiphele ini in total ama-daughter cells awu-4. Okay, and then bese sihlukanisa inamba leyo phela wena-ke lena as a person lo nayo ka-46, cause phela awukwazi ukukhipha ama-gametes ana-46 chromosome, awukwazi. Nophathina wakho futhi naye akakwazi ukukhipha u-46 wama-chromosome. Phela nina nizozala ingane nama-chromosomes awu-92. Akuseyona phela umuntu onormal lo, akasekho phela normal menjalo. So ukuze kugcinwe lo mthetho lento le ekhona yokuthi umuntu ophilayo njengo akabe nama-chromosome awu-46, kufanele ukuthini kube nalama-cells azo-undergoa i-meiosis, azosikhiphela u-half wale namba le, kuphinde kuthatha u-half wale namba from omunye futhi umuntu, mese bayahlangana bakhe umntwana ozophuma no-46, ne? Alright. So sisuka from u-diploid siya kubani? Ku-haploid. Sifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi kuhlale ku-46 kubona bonke abantu abaphilayo. Sihlala sinobani? Sihlala sino-46. Sifike la. Alright, usumfundile wena uMeyosis wokuqala, usumfundile uMeyosis wesibili, ubonile, unothisile. Naye enye bekade ngisho ngigcizelela naye, crossing over. U-crossing over, uma uzothi wena u-crossing over wenzeka kuMeyosis wesibili, mbhemu wami ngeke. I-crossing over yenzeka kuMeyosis wesinjani? Wokuqala. Misiyenzekile la, there's no need ukuthi iphinde iqhubeke yenze because sebe-exchange-ile i-genetic bani material. Alright, ngala usakhumbula asikho futhi isidingo sokuthi ngikuchaze kakhulu le. Usuyayazi wena manje, usuyayazi wena njengamanje, usu-grand, usu-right. Uyazi ukuthi nje ama-chromosome ngala ahamba in pairs. Ubonile nawe, ubonile nawe, ubonile ngapha kade siveza lawa ma-cells, leya process leya from the side ukuthini kuvele wahlukane chromosome eyodwa, zaya chromatid ngapha, zaya chromatid ngapha. Sisazibuza ukuthi engabe izohlukana kanjani-ke le chromosome, izoya ngapha noma izoya ngapha. Yavele kwahlukana yona phakathi, kwavele kwayi-chromatid, kwayi-chromatid. Usakhumbula ngisho? Nayi-ke lento echaza lento engisho. So ngapha ama-whole chromosomes, they move to ama-opposite poles of the cell, and then the side ama-chromatids, they move towards the opposite pole of the cell. Kumeyosis wokuqala we formed ama-cells awu-2, and then umesis wesibili saphunyelwa ama-cells awu-4 from lawa awu-2. And then i-chromosome number is halved, ukubani, u-diploid to u-haploid. And then the chromosome number, it remains the same, haploid during any i-meiosis wesibili. Ikhumbuzani lento le uma ufunda ugrade 10 kwi-mitosis? Le shandisi le lethi the chromosome number remains the same. Usayikhumbula? Usayikhumbula ni ku-mitosis? Hehe, mpemo. I hope usakhumbula. Lento le ngikhumbuza u-mitosis lento le ukuthi chromosome number, it remains the same. Hayi wena. Okay. Hawu. Savele safika. Savele safika. Okay. So this is a comparison between mitosis no meiosis. Bambala. Mitosis wenzeka emzimbeni wakho. Whether brain cell, ama-cells akuma-organs, inhliziyo, igazi, amathambo, yonke indawo nje. Mitosis. Ukhula, i-mitosis. From ekubeni i-zygote, i-mitosis. Nje, mitosis. Ukhula kwakho, kadu kuthiwa isikhumba sakho inusikekile, i-mitosis. Right. And then, mese ukuthi ngapha kwi-meiosis, siyabuya futhi, enzeka kuphi kuma-sex organs. Okubalwa ini? Ama-ovaries nama-testes. Isilisa nasifazana, okay? Enzeka nje kuleya part leya kuphela. Yileya part nje kuphela. Ungalinga ungitshela i-meiosis yenzeka kwi-skin sakho. Kanjani? Hayibo, oh. I-crossing over ayenzeki ngapha. Senzani kanti phela? Kanti senzani? What are we doing kanti? What are we doing kanti? Yabona? Yonke into ngapha fanele remain the same. Ngino-46 engikwenzayo kufanele kungikhiphele futhi u-46. Okay? Ngapha ngino-46 engikwenzayo fanele kugcine kungikhiphele u-23. Yabona? Okay. Mitosis ngifuna ukuthi ukhumbule u-DNA. Usayikhumbula i-DNA replication, ne? Hayi transcription, hayi translation. Ngifuna ukhumbule ini i-DNA replication ukuthini besithatha i-strand. Besithatha le double stranded molecule. I-strand ne-strand. Sithole i-strand esisha sisikhiphele the very same bani molecule. Sikhiphele the exact copy of i-DNA. Usayikhumbula? So nakhona ibambe ngaleyo idea leyo ukuthi iyazi replicate i-DNA. So nala it's almost the same thing. Ukuthi from i-cell siphinde sikhipha futhi ama-cells afanayo. Okay? Those cells are genetically identical to one another and to the parent cell. From i-cell eyodwa lawo 2 esiwakhipha afana exactly nawo, umabili ayafana aphinde afane futhi nale yaphume kuyona. Uyangibamba? Asike i-chromosome number ayishintshi, it's the same. Usakhumbula ilaphi la kuthiwa khona i-chromosome number ayishintshi khona? Okay, so ngala siyayi-reduce. This side sikhipha 2 delta cells and then the side is 4 daughter cells. And then ngala i-chirokinesis ne-cytokinesis kwenzeka ngesikhathi esisodwa. Oh, sorry, yenzeka kanye. And then i-chirokinesis ne-cytokinesis yenzeka kabili. Ungithi uyakhumbula la ukuthi sinemeiosis sokuqala nemeiosis wesibili. So i-cytokinesis ila kuhlukana khona i-cytoplasm, yabo. And then ileya part nje leya ka-telophase asemusufika ekugcineni la i-nucleus khona izohlukana khona uye ngala nangala. Same thing nakwi-cytoplasm yakheke kabusha kuvaleleke nge-membrane, yabona. Same thing ne-nucleus kuhlukana nje laphaya. yakheke kabusha le ngapha nangala kanjalo. Okay. Yeah. Again, um, there is a video ekhona. Okay. So this is meiosis and mitosis. And then ke kube ama activities. Okay. Ibe nokusangana ke lethu. There's also another thing engifuna ukuyiveza. Um, kumele kube ukuthi, okay, nine. So this one, bengifuna ukuconfirma la. So this one is no longer a centrosome. Okay. You don't use the word centrosome when you're like explaining this. You rather say centriole. But in centrosome it splits and the two centrioles move apart, forming a spindle fibers. Just stick to centriole. Like if mhlambe kuthiwa ilebhele, mimi kanje, just say centriole. Eh, don't use the word centrosome, okay? Um, Here's another part. Chromatin network it condenses into individual chromosomes and pairs of homologous chromosome lie next to each other, forming bivalent. Bengiye ngakumention ukuthi ama-chromosomes kusuka from a DNA structure, a DNA band molecule is called chromatin networks, then there is histones, proteins, and then it forms le structures kanje ekugcineni kosuku lesi kuyisona esisibona kwi-karyotype. Yeah, I think for now, I think the ikona right. So again, if ufuna uyi-download incwadi lena, it's completely free from i-browser yakho, whichever browser oyisebenzisayo, and then you can just look at ama-questions akhona, which is very, very important, okay? Like more ibamba i-meiosis, i-DNA ne-meiosis, then inama-chapters amaningi ozobona ukuthi, okay, oh, kuyalinka, ukwazi ukwenza i-sense nawe yabo of into oyibonayo. Okay, yabo nje zygote, yonke leyo yinto leyo. So igama lika-zygote, omunye kade agcina ukulizwa, omunye aqala ukulizwa igama lika-zygote, but then uzobona as kuhamba isikhathi ukuthi hayi man, ayisuka. Leli gama le-mitosis liyabuya. Leli gama yabona nje lika-fertilization. Asizange sizithinte anything nga-fertilization, but then gcine sekuhlangene anyway. Okay, cytokinesis, it describes in cytoplasmic division, okay? And then in nuclear division, that is a karyokinesis. Nje, if ubheka lama questions now, as a prepare for anything, ekufanele ukuthi uyifunde, uyi-understand, yeah, for ama-test purposes nama-exams, okay? Izokuprepare nje for zonke izinto kahle kahle. And then mase sifika kwinto ebizwa ngokuthi yini-ke i-abnormal meiosis ne-chromosome. Usakhumbula kade ngithi kuwena umuntu akakwazi ukuthi abe nama-chromosomes aku-90 bani, kuthiwe wena nama-chromosomes aku-90 bani. Ngathini kumele uma uwumuntu ube nama-chromosomes awu-46. Mebekubheka kwi-karyotype yakho wena udiploid la 46 chromosome. Makungaveli u-46, then iteba te. Okay, so ingena kanjalo-ke leli gama leli lika-abnormal meiosis. So uyazi na masithi nje abnormal kahle kahle sithi akukho normal. Sharp. Okay. So kuthiwa lana-ke sometimes mistakes occur during the process ka-meiosis. This can happen in anaphase 1 where there may be in disjunction of homologous chromosome into separate chromosomes. Okay, so apparently kunefika ekhona la. I have no idea ukuthi ngizoyichaza kanjani while ngiveza amagama. Okay. It's fine. Let's ngiqhubeke nokufona. Okay. It can only happen in anaphase 2. Sorry, it can also happen. Ngiyasho ukuthi ngeke. It can also happen ku anaphase yesibili when there may be in a disjunction of chromosomes into single-stranded daughter chromosomes, chromatids. If there is a non-disjunction of chromosome pair 21 in humans, it leads to the formation of an abnormal gamete with an extra copy of chromosome 21. If there is a fusion between normal gametes with 23 chromosomes and an abnormal gamete with an extra copy of any 21, chromosome 21, it leads to a Down syndrome, 47 chromosomes in the zygote. Okay. Ivoice iyakhathala. Okay, so lento ngizoyichaza kanjena-ke. Usakhumbula laphaya kwe-anaphase ukuthi nisithe after ama-chromosome esezi-alayinile kwi-equator, kufanele ukuthi njengoba esemile kanje, ngesikhathi ama-spindle fibers aba-attach-a, they must shorten after and then aphule the chromosomes now, whether are homologous or individual, abadonse towards in the opposite poles. Okay, so this way befaka u-anaphase 1 or u-anaphase 2. Ngobani na lento iyenzeka ku-anaphase 1 or u-anaphase 2. So ngesikhathi bedonseka-ke kuyenzeka ukuthi kube ne-mistake ezokwenzeka ngesikhathi sekufanele ukuthi kuhlukane kube naleya separation, abanye bayingapha abanye bayingapha. Kwenzeke ngale ndlela yokuthi bangahlukani kahle ngendlela ekufanele bahlukane ngayo, yabona. Mhlambe manje ngithe i-mistake, angisho, okay, i-mistake. Ngesikhathi kufanele ukuthi kuhlukane kulo-46, kuyu-23 ngapha, kuyu-23 ngapha. Kuvele i-chromosome eyodwa ingayi ngala, ivele iye kuleli side elingapha. Mhlambe agcine ama-chromosomes esebu-24 the side ebu-22 ngapha. Either way, inamba kusewona lo 23 lo ethina esiwufunayo, yabo. Ngifake isithombe lesi khona kuzoba lula. Okay. Kuvele kwenzeka into kanjena-ke ukuthi njengoba kade unama-chromosomes la, sizosebenzisa u-2-na-ke because khona u-2. Kwenzeka ku-anaphase 1. Ku-anaphase 1 uyabazi ukuthi bahamba ngophathini abama-pairs kanjani, of which la bayenze-ke kwacishe kwafana nangapha. Okay, yeah. So ama-chromosomes akho-ke, you have uprophase, kwenzeke kube right, and then ube no-metaphase. Mase kufika ekubona u-anaphase, lesikhundla sokuthi kufanele bahlukane labantu lapha, bangahlukani. Njengoba kade bemile la bewu-homologous, omunye ngaphambi komunye, kufanele ukuthi adonseke aye kule pole engale, nalo adonseke aye kule pole engale. Oyedwa wabo avele angayi le direction ebekumele ukuthi aye kuyona, avele aye kwenye. You see la, bekumele bahlukane phakathi lapha, omunye aye ngapha, omunye eze ngala. Bamba lento le, bekumele ukuthi oyedwa eze ngala, omunye eze ngala. Ngikhumbula into ukuthi sihalvisha the number of ama-chromosomes. And then manje nalo usengala ngapha sekuna less chromosome. It's not necessarily 0, but it's because sisebenzisa only ama-chromosomes awu-2. Okay, ngala bekumele kube na-1, ngapha bekumele kube na-1. Manje la sekuna extra chromosome, sekuna more than le number ekufanele ngabe khona oku-1, and then ngapha sekuna less chromosome, akuseyona le number bekumele ngabe kube yibani iyona ebikade ku-1. Okay, so akubesanga kusanjani, akubesanga kusahlukana. Iqhubeke-ke futhi-ke i-meiosis ngokujwayelekile ngenjwayelo. Okay, kuphinde laba basplithe-ke, yabona ukuthi lo uyaqhubeka uyasplitha, bathi noma meiosis uyaqhubeka uyasplitha, bohlukane ngendlela evenly, wahlukana evenly, but then lo una less, so that's why beveze kwangaba nalutho la, because initially besebenzisa awu-2 mhlawumbe kube bemaningi then bekuzobonakala but ngizobheka another picture. So lo bekade nalesi yabona manje nasisinenkinga-ke la cause uyazi ukuthi ku-meiosis you're supposed to have u-23 ngapha, you're supposed to have u-23 ngapha. So this is okokuqala ngisho. Okay, yeah. You're supposed to have 23 ngapha, you're supposed to have 23 ngapha. So I'm not really sure why bewafake ngokomthetho aba u-4 la because awu-4 they're supposed to be produced kule sayidi leli elingapha. Okay, but then it's fine. Same thing goes for leli sayidi leli elingapha. Okay, same thing goes kuleli sayidi elingapha. All right, so yenzeke normally i-meiosis la from leya number leya esinayo you have ini isele ezophuma ngapha nenye isele ezophuma ngapha then sesihalvishile le number lena yani yama-chromosome lento bekumele yenzeke kuleli sayidi elingala ne excuse me lento bekumele yenzeke ngala kuyenzeka that's why kuthiwa normal kuhlukaniseleki kahle. And then same thing inala kule sele ngapha kuphinde kuhlukaniseke kahle futhi evenly ngale ndlela kufanele ukuthi kuhlukaniseke ngayo kuze ngapha yebo 1 and then angala kuze 1 but then nayi kithi ina-disjunction isiyenzeka kuphi isiyenzeka la. Okay, bekufanele ukuthi njengoba la kune-centriole nangapha kune-centriole ibambe la kwi-centromere nale ngale ibambe la kwi-centromere and then ihlukanise labani lama-chromatids lawa awu-2 eyodwa iye kwisele eyodwa nenye kwisele eyodwa njengala but then la bangafuni ukuhlukana la bahluleka ukuthi bahlukane yonke le ephelele vele yaya kwisele enjani eyodwa. So now bekufanele kube na-1 la nala bekufanele kube na-1 this la sekuna more than they should be. There's more than they should be. Kufanele ngabe kuna-1 sekune-chromosome sekune-chromatid manje extra. Okay, in our senses sizothini yini i-chromosome enjani extra akufanelanga ngabe there's an extra chromosome fanele ngabe inamba le iyalingana ukuba uku-23. Okay, fanele ngabe kusplithe evenly ngendlela elinganayo but then manje sekuna less chromosome ngapha sekuna extra chromosome ngapha le nto lidele ekuthaneni-ke if wena as a person ngesikhathi okay, let's say it's you ne wena ngesikhathi kufanele sikwenzeke i-meiosis kuwena uvele ukhiphe iseli eyenze njengalo ukhiphe iseli kufanele ukuthi iphume ino-23 njengale except kuwena sekune-chromosome extra-ke manje kuhlulekile ukuthi kuhlukane laphaya kuwena ku-anaphase kwenzeka i-non-disjunction esikhundleni sokuthi ukhiphe u-23 usukhiphe ubani usukhiphe u-24 ngoba manje sekune-chromosome enjani extra bese uhlangana-ke whether with your husband or with your wife uwife wakho mhlambe yena wakhe anormal akanje awakhe una-23 wama-chromosome wena una-24 wama-chromosome senikhipha iningi senikhipha i-gametes oh sorry okay yes wena ukhipha yena umyeni or the husband ukhipha 23 wama-chromosome wena ukhipha le ena-extra amangaki awu-22 awakho sorry awu-24 kuwena and then kuyena awu-23 then manje seninani senikhipha ingane ngaleso sikhathi senikhipha ingane nini esizoba nama-chromosome awu-47 okunjani oku-abnormal kufanele ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi wena uhlala ukhipha ama-chromosomes awu-23 your husband or your wife or your partner akhiphe naye 23 nihlanganise u-46 but then if kunina nobabili khona obene-mistake ebekhona ku-meiosis wakhe whether ama-testes or ama-ovaries ngale ndlela yokuthini kuphume i-chromosome kuphume i-cell ezoba nama-chromosomes extra or a-less sorry ish Okay, it's fine. Ah, yo ngikhathele. Okay. Bengithi, okay, where if upartner wakho, one of you uneseli ezokhipha um an extra chromosome or less, and then oyedwa wenu unama chromosomes anormal, and then mase niyahlangana nobabili, it's either umntwana enizomkhipha unama chromosome awu 45 or awu 47. Ngobani na? It's either wena ulethe u-22, uhusband wakho wakhipha u-23, then musuyihlanganisa leyo namba ikhiphe u-46. Oh, wena ufike nobani no 24, yena wakhipha u-23. Muyihlanganisa leyo namba ikhiphele ubani u-47. Either way, whether uwena olethe less enales uyena, or wena olethe na-more or uyena, still umntwana wena enizomkhipha uzobe uzobe ne-chromosome number e-abnormal, either e-extra or e-less. Then le namba efanele ukuthini akhiwe yiyona. Okay, le namba efanele ukuthi abe nayo. Alright. So, i-non-disjunction yama-chromosome, it results in i-Down syndrome. Okay. This is iningi kakhulu lento explain sometimes ibe problem. Angazi ukuthi like iyiphi indlela elula, but yona ayikho nzima understandeka. Okay, so i-Down syndrome is caused by a non-disjunction of a chromosome, which results in the presence of an extra chromosome, number 21. It is also referred to a trisomy 21. Okay, all right. Ungakhohlwa kwi-karyotype yakho unama-chromosome awu-46, unama-pairs ama-chromosome awu-23. U-23 wakho wakhiwani yini? Ama-autosomes akho awu-22, okay? Only one, which is upair number 23, where kudeterminishwa khona i-sex yakho, whether uyintombazane or umfana. So, if kune-non-disjunction, izoziveza kakhulu laphayana kubani kule phele ka-number 21, okay? Izoziveza kwi-autosomes ka-pair number 21. It's also referred to ubani i-trisomy 21. So lo mntwana lona ke ombona la kule picture une Down syndrome. Lo mntwana lo, so njengoba umbona amehla akhe ukuthi akanjena, mhlawumbe uke wahlangana nabantu awuthola ukuthi bakanje, so ziningi indlela akhe. Ngeke bafane nabo exactly, but ziningi izinto ezicommon oye kuzibone. Amehlo, I think i-shape yekhanda, mhlambe i-weight, i-height, ama-features nje amanye ebusweni, ikhala, isiphongo maybe, yabo, right. Okay. Alright, so nayi into ebekade ngizama ukuyichaza-ke, ele i-mother cell, kwenzeka umesisi wokuqala. Ngesikhathi kwenzeka umask, cause khumbula u-anaphase ukhona kulo wokuqala nalo wesibili. I-non-disjunction iyenzeka kulo wokuqala, ingenzeki kulo wesibili, kuqhubeke ne-meiosis enormal. Njengoba ubonile laphaya ngenhla ukuthi bekunale part ebekade ku-anaphase wokuqala, kade kuno-normal ne-non-disjunction, and then the side kuno-normal non-disjunction. So iyenzeka noma ngabe ikuyona yiphi, okay? Iyenzeka noma, hhayi ukuthi yenzeka ku-1 kuphela or yenzeka ku-2 kuphela, but iyenzeka kubona bobabili, okay? So umama-ke lo wenzeka i-meiosis yesingaki yokuqala. So obviously, yabo nje no-22 ngapha, aphinde abe no-20. 24 ngala. Usuyazi vele non-disjunction. Ngubani na? Bekumele kube 23, bekumele kube 23. So khona i-problem, khona i-mistake eyenzekile. I-chromosome extra ivele yadonseka to this side. Bekumele iye ngapha, yaza ngala. Usuna less chromosome number ngapha, usuna more or extra chromosome this side. Okay? Bese iyenzeka-ke la, iyaqhubeka ini i-meiosis ngokomthetho. This is i-meiosis normal ngobani i-number did not change. Okay? I-number did not change, it stayed the same. Yabo. Okay. So la kulo 24 obukhona nakhona kwenzeke i-meiosis, this is i-meiosis yesibili. Okay? Ekwenzekeni kahle this side ngokuthi inamba ingashintshi, but then sekuphuma ama-cells anenamba engafanele engabi khona. Okay? Sekuphuma amanamba nje ama-cells engafanele ukuthi engabe siyaphunyelwa iwona or siyawathola. So this side is 24, and then uthole 22, and then no 24. Which nje nakhona is also into abnormal engekho right nala. Okay. So this was umama ne yenzeka kuma-ovaries lento, and then iqhamuka ubaba nangoke. Ngithe ubaba unjani? Husband unormally, and then the mother is not normal. Uzokhipha le. Uzokhipha this one. Remember guys, ngithe kungenzeka ukuthi uzokhipha le because uyazi umuntu onesifazana ngisho ukuthi you can only like ukhipha iqanda elilodwa ngesikhathi. So ungakhipha le futhi ungakhipha le. Either way, lesele le inenamba esingayifuni or inamba e-wrong. Okay? Either way. So uzohlangana nobaba onjani onenamba enormally. And then mase umntwana angabi no-46 kodwa abe no-47 izygote. Okay? Umntwana wakhona abe nama-chromosome awu-47. Yabona-ke? So i-Down syndrome-ke yenzeka kanje enganeni. Okay? Yenzeka kanje emntwaneni. If uhlangane nalo no-22, then bese u-45 inamba yama-chromosome okuwukuthi nayo injani ayikho right. Okay? Okay. Okuwukuthi nayo ayikho right. Yeah, i-voice yami iphelile lokhu serious. Okay. So ezinye izinto-ke lezo ungabona ngazo futhi njengoba sengishilo ukuthi zi-common, kunezinto eyi-common phakathi kwabantu abane-Down syndrome. So yeah, ezinye zazo lezi. So this mutation leads to various malformations in the developing child. Yabo. So kukhona oye kubone even if wenze research or kanjani. Okay. Unfortunately, there's no way yokuyivimba lento or yokuyicontrol ukuthi yenzeke. It's a mistake nje yenzekayo kungahlukaniseki kahle ngale ndlela ekufanele ngabe kuhlukaniseka ngayo. Yeah, if it's not clear, then obviously akhona ama-alternatives ney'ncwadi ezehlukile ezichaza ngenye indlela. So yeah, siqedile nge-meiosis. Again, kule ncwadi le kunama-questions are-structured ngale ndlela ye-exam, yabo. Yeah, if we download or ama-previous question papers azokwazi ukuthi akuthatha kulethe la. So you have lama questions akanjena. You have section B. Yeah, i-multiple choice ngayo yonke indlela cause ama-questions lawa angaqhamuka nanoma ngabe ngayiphi indlela. Also, you can use le ncwadi le. This is Mind the Gap. Nayo futhi ichaza the same thing. Yabona, it's like ivele almost the same way le picture le nale engakhona. So angazi noma-ke, okay. Bengifuna i-comparison between i-mitosis, sorry, not i-comparison, but ama-similarities between i-mitosis no-meiosis wesibili of which awukho la. But-ke fanele ukwazi ukuthi i-meiosis yesibili icishe ifane ne-mitosis. Okay. Yeah. Because ungawubuza lo mbuzo lowo and then bese uthola ukuthi awuzange uzuyenze ka-grade 10 i-life sciences, but u-mitosis uyafana ne ne-meiosis yesibili. Yeah, so I hope ukuthi khona la kube clear khona. Yeah, till next time, till i-video elandelayo. Bye.